Hey, it's Steve here. I know we talk a lot about Forex trading robots, EAs, expert advisors, etc. And the big draw to those products is the fact that you can just leave them running and they do the trading for you and get on with your business and so forth. And that's a really great benefit that you don't have to be in the market and watching it all the time and so forth. But if you're into that kind of trading, the drawback of that kind of trading is the profits are very small as far as per trade. So you might only get a couple of pips in a particular trade, and your account will hopefully go up, but it's going up in a slower rate. Well, if you're interested in kind of hands-off type of trading, this isn't totally hands-off what I'm going to talk about today, but you don't trade very much, and this is a yearly chart, and I think you're in for a treat. But I'm here in my back office of Market Club, and you can check out Market Club at tradelikethis.com, and there's a link below this video. But I just want to go over the last 12-13 months and look at a few Forex pairs and just show you how you can trade with Market Club. And if you're interested in kind of hands-off type trading, this isn't quite hands-off, but you will have to look at the market every once in a while. But I'll show you here in a second just how many trades they've had over the course of 12-13 months and the type of profits as well. So with Market Club, their big thing is a thing called trade triangles, and you'll see these triangles here on the screen. Here is a red one that has a W in it, and here's a red one that has an M in it, and a green one which has a W in it, and so forth. And these are the trade triangles. I'm not going to go into great detail of what they are and all that stuff. You can do the research on their website about that. What I'm about is a way to trade with the trade triangles where you don't have to be in front of your computer all the time. You just check the charts every week or every month and see where you're at. And what you'd do is with trade triangles, you'd want to be in the trend, the direction of the trend, based on the monthly charts. Okay, and the weekly charts will give you your entries and exits. So I'm going to walk you through it here in just a second. So we have, and I'm just doing the last 13 months, and this is the Australian US dollar. Alright, so let's take a look. The monthly triangle went short on early August, didn't give an exit until early December. This trade was 2,600 pips of profit. The next trade, again, you're going to look for a down signal because the monthly trend is still down. And in this particular trade, you lost 100 pips. The next trade, you lost 300 pips. The following trade, the trend went long, so you would be buying the market at 72. You got out around 78, so 600 pips profit, and then they're currently in a trade from late July until currently, which you're up about 250 pips or so. So all told, 5 trades for the Australian US dollar in these 13 months, not including the trade that we're currently in, up about 2,800 pips in 13 months. Let's take a look at a couple other charts. Okay, now we're looking at the Euro US dollar. Again, we're looking for the monthly chart for our trend and our weekly chart for our entries and exits. So our monthly chart, again, early August, short. First exit was here, 500 pips. Next, we look again for another entry on the downside since our trend is still down. 138 was our entry. Exit was around 130, 800 pips profit. Next one, from here to here, 300 pips. Sorry, I'm going a little fast on it. I want to make sure that this video makes it under the 10-minute mark so I can put it up on YouTube for you. The next trade, right here, from here to here, was a 300 pip loss. then the monthly trend went to the positive direction or the up direction, and we entered the long position, and you can see it was roughly a break-even trade. And then finally, they're in a trade currently from around 142-ish, and currently still in that trade, and that trade has lasted 2 months now, and up roughly about 100 pips. So in these 13 months, the euro US dollar has made 6 trades, including the one that is still going on, and is up about 1,300 pips. Let's take a look at one more chart. Okay, US Canadian dollar. Actually, on the monthly chart, it changed directions. I think it was way back in January. Again, we just want to look at the last 13 months or so. This first trade here actually was late July, so you can count it or not count it. It's up to you. But that was worth about 200 pips. The next trade here, from here, early October until mid-December, was worth 1,300 pips. This next trade here was roughly a break-even trade. Then in early May, the trend went to the downside, and you would enter going short, and this trade was worth 500 pips, and then their last trade was worth 200 pips, and they're totally out of the market right now. So for the US Canadian dollar, in the last 13 months, 5 trades, 2,200 pips of profit. So all told, for those 3 currency pairs, there was 6,300 pips of profit over 13 trades in 13 months. So obviously you don't have to be at the in front of your screen all the time with this type of system. You're going to get some major winners. 2,600 pips for one particular trade. Another trade was 1,300 pips, and then a bunch of 500 plus pip winners as well. Those average almost 500 pips per trade over that past 13 months. Tremendous way to trade if you're not wanting to watch the market all the time. And let's take a look at the Market Club website. I typed in tradelikethis.com. This is the Market Club's site. You can take start a trial right there. You can also call the number to start a trial. What the trial is, it's basically you either pay $150 for 3 months or $449 for the year, and it's a 30-day offer. So if for any reason it's not for you, you get your money back 100% if you request your refund within the 30 days. So plenty of time to find out if this kind of trading is for you. They have a ton of great information, on their website with different trading to do as well. So if you're interested, you can check it out, tradelikethis.com. Start a trial, get started, check out the back office, see if this trading is for you. And again, they do charts for the indices or stocks, Forex, all that kind of thing. So, but if you're interested in Forex, this video was about the Forex trading, but they also have stocks and indices as well. So check it out, tradelikethis.com. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.